Welcome to my MathCast on volume and surface area of cylinders. My goal is to help you better understand the concepts at hand when you need it and at your own pace. We hope you enjoy this MathCast on volume and surface area of cylinders. Here are the surface area formulas. The one we will be using is S equals 2 pi r squared times 2 pi RH. The other one is S equals 2 times the area of the base plus the lateral area. The answer will be your answer and then units squared. Now let's do some problems using surface area. You can see we already have the formula. Now you can see it's a cone with a radius of 6 centimeters and a height of 14.5 centimeters. Now you have to plug in the numbers and you'll get 2 pi 6 squared, because the R means radius and the 6 centimeters is the radius. Now you have to do 6 squared, which is 36, and then multiply it by 2, which equals 72, and for now just bring down the pi. Now we have to do the other side of the equation. You just put in 2 pi, then 6, which is the radius, and 14.5, which is the height. First, you do 6 times 14.5, which equals 87. Then, you multiply it by 2, and you get 174 pi. You add 174 plus 72, which equals 246 pi. Then you do 246 pi, and that will get you 659.4 centimeters squared. And this is your answer. You can see the next problem, you have to write your answer to the nearest tenth and in terms of pi. This problem, we have a diameter of 16 inches and a height of 22 inches. You have to change the 16 inches to an 8 because the diameter is half of the radius. So now you put in 8 for the radius and then square it times pi times 2. 8 squared is 64, and then times 2 is 128. And now just bring it pi down. For the other side, the radius will still be 8, and the height is 22. First, you do 8 times 22, and you get 176. And then you times it by 2, and you get 352, and then bring down the pi. And 352 times 128 is 480 pi. And this will be your answer therefore, in terms of pi, just add inches squared. That's your answer in terms of pi. Now, you have to do 480 times pi, which equals 1507.2 inches squared. That's 1507.2 inches squared, and that's your answer to the nearest 10. Now you can see we have the volume formulas. Your answer will be units cubed, and we will be using V equals pi times r squared h. Another formula you could use is V equals the area of the base times the height. The next problem is a cylinder with a radius of 10 centimeters and a height of 21 centimeters. First, you plug in 10 for R and 21 for H. 10 squared is 100 times 21 is 2,100 pi. Your answer in terms of pi will be 2,100 pi centimeters cubed. Then your regular answer will be 659 centimeters cubed. That is 6,594 centimeters cubed. This last problem is a cylinder with a radius of 8 meters and a height of 14 meters. Your answer will be written to the nearest 10. First, you plug in 8 for R and 14 for H. 8 squared is 64, and then multiply it by 14, and you get 896, and just bring down your pi. 896 times pi, and 3.14 will be used for pi. So 896 times 3.14, and you get 2,813.4 meters cubed. And that is your answer. Thank you for listening to this mathcast on surface area and volume of a cylinder. Please feel free to listen and learn from other mathcasts on this channel. Thank you.